hey, I think that startups are the future and future is here.
We see many opportunities for students to get involved in startups. That's why we are hosting the 3 student workshop cycles and welcoming them at TechChill.
So Printful is here because we believe that Latvia is a great place to start your own business, and we want to share this mindset with all the students which are already here.
Hey guys, my name is Elvis and today I am at TechChill workshop. Important for students to get involved in such events, to show their skills. It's all about the networking.